Hello friends, if you are building or renovating your house, then this video is going to be very useful for you. Because in today's video, I am going to tell you 16 such outdated designs that are still being used in 2025, but are completely out of trend. If you want your home design to look modern and classy even after 10 years, then you must avoid these designs. And I will also tell you their best alternatives. Number 1. Bulky and heavy TV unit designs. TV wall is such a place that is always in front of your eyes, so don't over design it. Like UV sheet, profile light, spotlight, niches, all this makes it look very heavy and outdated. Instead, simply install a big TV on a clean wall and add a stylish console below it. Number 2. Too many colors in front elevation. Many people use 4 to 5 colors in elevation like brown, grey, cream, etc. Always follow the 60-30-10 color rule. 60% base color, 30% secondary color and 10% accent color. It looks elegant and is easy to repaint later. Number 3. Visible drain covers in the bathroom. Using square or round SS chali in the bathroom spoils the entire flooring look. Instead, use tile-in drain or linear drain. Both are very trending and give a clean look. Number 4. SS railings. Railings of stainless steel are now outdated, whether on the terrace, staircase or balcony. Instead, you can do these 3 designs. First, MS railing with closed sections painted with decor. Second, MS frame with terracotta jali inside. Third, aluminium railing with glass. Number 5. Printed or short length curtains. Printed or short length curtains completely spoil the look of your living room. Instead, install plain full length curtains and you can add a sheer layer too. Use curtain rods in gold, rose gold or black color. Number 6. Bulky water geysers. Big size round geysers do not look good in modern bathrooms. Instead, choose a sleek rectangular geyser that occupies less space and looks modern too. Number 7. Two-tone modular kitchen. Even today, many people make modular kitchens in 2 colors like yellow-white or green-white. Now only single-tone or monochrome kitchens are in trend. Choose a pastel shade acrylic finish and either handle-less or profile handle design. Number 8. Too many curves, colors and designs in elevation. Even today, many architects and builders make elevations that are very complicated, with too many curves and color combinations which are no longer in trend. Instead, go for a modern minimalist elevation, simple straight lines, two-tone color and a clean and classy look. Number 9. Over-designed ceiling. POP design with many curves or fancy shapes is outdated now. Today, people keep the ceiling design very simple and elegant. Just use border lighting or step design in the ceiling. Number 10. Glossy tiles with design. Glossy tiles with strong veins or designs are out of fashion. Use large matte finish tiles. It will give a very elegant and spacious feel. Number 11. Skirting that sticks out from the wall. This design is now completely out of fashion. Instead, do flush skirting, meaning the wall and skirting are in line. This gives a clean and modern look. Number 12. Old style switches. Today also many people use ordinary white switches that electricians suggest, which look very outdated and spoil the look of the house. So always use good quality modular switches. Use colored panels with black or grey switches. Install smart switches that can be operated with mobile or voice command. Number 13. Small sized tiles in bathroom flooring. Avoid small sized tiles. They create too many joints and look outdated. Instead, use long size planks or tiles, which reduce joints and are easier to clean. Number 14. Glass railings with designs. Glass railings with etched or printed designs are out of trend. Instead, go for a plain clear glass railing with MS or aluminium framing which looks modern. Number 15. Old style chandeliers. Heavy vintage style chandeliers are no longer used in modern homes. Instead, install minimal hanging or pendant lights that match your interior theme. Number 16. PVC wall paneling. Cheap PVC panels spoil the look of the wall. Instead, either keep the wall plain or do molding work and install a wall light. It will look premium and is budget friendly too. Trendy doesn't always mean flashy. Modern design today is all about clean lines, subtle finishes, and timeless choices. By avoiding these 16 outdated elements, you are not just saving money, you are future proofing your home. Tell me in the comments which of these mistakes have you seen recently or are guilty of yourself. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.